1932 Ford Sedan. Street rod, man. I would say that color is very similar to Grabber Blue. Blueprint 350 in it, 400 horsepower. Edelbrock 4-barrel, 700 R4 automatic transmission. Again, I'm going to give you a quick look around this vehicle. We'll get inside, we'll start it up, but if you have any questions, feel free to give our sales associates a call, man. They'd be happy to talk to you. 507-386-1726. Or you can always visit us online as well at uniqueclassiccars.com, where you will find not only this vehicle, but an abundance of others as well. Plenty of still photographs in there as well as we get it up on a rack so you can have a look underneath. Again, 507-386-1726. Tires on this dated 23 and 24. So I'd say they're in very good shape. You can see the tubular control arms, adjustable coilovers, and for looks, the old fuel tank up front there. Looks very nice, polished up. Complete dual exhaust as well, by the way, and those are disc brakes, as I mentioned up front, manual drum in the rear. Battery, by the way, is located just behind the rear seat. HEI ignition. The wiper does work. Our techs did note that the brakes are 80% up front and rear. We'll get in, give you a quick look inside. We'll start it up as well. Again, any questions, call and talk to one of our sales associates, 507-386-1726. Or visit us online at uniqueclassiccars.com. You can see the tints on the windows, so you're going to want to make sure that you check your local and state laws to make sure that you're compliant. Beautiful car, fun car, right? A little bit more room in the back with this sedan. Let's take a look inside. Very nice. You can see the tilt column there. Dash is done very well. Seats, door panels look great. Seat belts. Quick look at the rear here. Remember that battery located behind that rear passenger seat. But very, very nice. Tell you what, let's slide in here. See if we can start her up. Wow. Starts right up. Rear view mirror. The view from in here is fantastic if you're looking outside. As I mentioned earlier, Bluetooth radio, Bluetooth only. The heater does work, and this has vintage AC that blows cold. How about we get out and pop that hood and have a look underneath? And there you have it, Blueprint 350. You can see the headers, AC compressor, electric fan. Very, very nice. Again, after this video, Jason's going to take her out for a spin, so you're going to want to hang on for that. Any questions, Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1932 Ford Street Rod that is just so nice. Inside and out, finished in such great colors and done so well. Just looking at that front suspension and the quality there, it rides and drives that nice as well. I have a little bit of traffic to wait for. Now there's a Kenwood stereo in the dash. That's waiting for a device to hook up. Doesn't appear that it'll pick up FM, at least at this point. May need an antenna. And it's not just for looks. This thing is quick, handles great, accelerates great. Our oil pressure is over 50, the water temperature 150, still rising. There's a minor slack in the steering. Some of these cars are that way. It's not enough to bother on the highway. It says we're doing 45 miles an hour. That appears to be accurate. Tachometer's 1100 RPM at that speed. Our volts are over 14. The fuel gauge is almost 3/4 of a tank. Vintage air. That's what we have for controls here, and they do move air, as they should. Check out this, the world's smallest wiper. Gotta love the street rod wipers, but they're functional. This baby can drive in the rain, to or from a car show if you have to. Beautiful white interior, or yes, it appears to be white. Inside, on the roof, the seats, everything except a little bit of blue trim. It looks really good. Great rumble to this car. It started up and idled perfectly right away from a cold start. Corners nicely, very low, very flat cornering. And the kickdown, of course, working well on an automatic transmission. The automatic shifted right here on the column, so it's easy to drive. Very, very nice car. The cruise control even works. Take it on a long road trip with your friends. Check out all the pictures of this 32 Ford at uniqueclassiccars.com.